Hi guys. So this is how you share a document for editing purposes with another classmate. So you're going to get a couple marks for doing this when we do more essays, or just to get you kind of in the habit of sharing and what it would look like even if I were to go into your documents and start making suggestions and things. So this is a document from Maddie Cook. It's her Lorenz Scholarship essay, but I'm just going to use this as an example. So let's say this is Maddie Cook's, but I want to share with you, like your document. You're going to have a document you're going to want to share it with somebody. So you're going to hit the share button. And in the share button, these are the people who are editors or people who are working on it. You can add people to the group. So I could add anybody from my list. You would type in somebody from our class, and you would click on their name and you would let them share the document. Hit done. Now, she has already shared this with me, so I'm going to just show you a few things when it comes to editing. So let's say I'm just going to make a few edits here. I want to make a comment. First off, I want to make sure, that I am not in editing mode. I don't want to edit it directly. I want to make suggestions. So I'm going to go in suggesting mode. So I'm going to highlight this and I'm going to make a comment maybe on it. So comment, this is a great question. Okay, and I'm going to comment on it. Or maybe I want to ask a question or say, this is not a great introduction. Or you might want to add a little something more in this introduction because it's not quite long enough. Or maybe you have a question. I don't really understand your meaning here. What did you mean by this, right? So that would be a comment that you might make. So that's there. Add a comment. So you'd highlight something and add a comment. You can also directly edit. So maybe I don't want her to type out first like this. I want her to write out September 1st, 2015. So what it would do is it would create a little box here, and then you would go in and you would either accept the suggestion, so you check mark it and it makes those changes, or you would reject the suggestion. So I don't want to take that suggestion. Same, we barbecue and bake sale. So for this one, I'm going to just type BBQ. Now, I would probably prefer her to write out barbecue, but just for the sake of this example, I am going to now accept that suggestion, and you can see it makes the suggestion. You're just going to have to make sure that, there's a space there. So hopefully that helps you a little bit. There's lots of things that you can suggest and lots of things that you might want to comment on with it when it comes to another person's essay. Maybe it's spacing. You can actually go in, and I'm still in suggesting mode, and I maybe want her to double space this essay, double space, right? And it's going to make a suggestion here, and I can either accept or reject that suggestion, okay? When you go back in to actually check the edits. Here's the thing though, as soon as you guys invite somebody else to share your essay with, I can track when you make all of the changes to the document. So you don't have to even let me know that somebody has edited your essay, because I will be able to tell automatically that you've had somebody edit your paper as soon as you hand it in. So that's it. That's it in a nutshell for editing and making suggestions. So just, again, make sure you're not in the editing document directly. You're in the suggesting mode, because you don't want to make changes to that document. You just want to make suggestions right now for that person to either accept or deny. Good luck, you guys. I can't wait to see your essays.